Okay, this video documents the roof coverings above the house at the time of inspection, which are in poor condition. They're visibly deteriorated, substantially deteriorated, are well beyond their expected life. Frankly, I will not be surprised if I see signs of leaking to the interior. So given the fact that these roof coverings are so far beyond their expected life and due for replacement, you should definitely budget for repair and replacement of sheathing potentially underneath once these are ripped off. Here's the deal with manufactured homes. You're not allowed to put 2 layers on these roof coverings. So make sure when the roof coverings are replaced, the 2 layers are not installed unless it's approved through the Department of Labor and Industries, which, by the way, will be required to get a permit through them. Any manufactured home requires permitting through the Department of Labor and Industries to replace roofs or different issues, so always check with them. Or the approval of an engineer to put 2 layers on. Frankly, you're not going to get it most likely, so just rip off these roof coverings, put new ones on. I would recommend that you go with an architectural roof like this one here. That'll give you at least 25 years. Typically a 3-tab roof like this, you can see those vertical tabs, lasts about 15 to 20 years. So repair and replacement of the roof coverings is advised.